When you ask ChatGPT or Gemini a question, it doesn't give you 10 rulings, it gives you direct answers. That's the world we are in now. SEO alone is not enough. We need answer engine optimization, AEO. And in this video, I will show you step by step how to actually do AEO with examples across industries and insights from experts like Avinash Kaushik, Kerry Venucha. So let's get deeper into it. Step 1. Understand AI first queries. These aren't keywords like Goa Hotel, they are full conversations. Find me a family friendly villa in Goa with a pool under 15,000 a night. Airbnb has adapted for that. Filters, reviews, and content all mirror natural queries. But it's not just travel. Think about Amazon. Customers ask, does this fit iPhone 15 Pro? Or Zomato, where can I get vegan pizza near me? Open after 11 p.m. Queries are getting longer. These are real natural language queries. The lesson map how people actually ask questions about your product, not just the keywords. Step 2. Structure for a conversational answers. AI assistant love contents that's clear and machine readable. For example, let's take example of booking.com. It nails it. FAQs, is breakfast included? Yes. Amazon and Flipkart let users ask answers product questions right on the page. Zomato and Swiggy add structured answers like, does the restaurant deliver late at night? Is Jan food available? By contrast, if you bury answers in long paragraphs, AI engines struggle. Struggle matters. Schema markup, bullet points, FAQs, and consistent formatting make your content easy for machines to reference. Step 3. Make your content AI resistant. We saw in the last video in detail how Avinash Kaushik explains AI resistant content. Advice is clear. Your content must be so unique that AI can't simply remix it. Think about Spotify Wrapped, proprietary data only Spotify can publish, or Zomato Wrapped, or Netflix top 10 list. Insights no competitor can fake. If AI is referencing it, it has to be about you, giving you your credit. Apple has its product launch keynotes. Only Apple can deliver that mix of storytelling and reveals. These are examples of AI resistant content. If you're publishing the same generic top 10 travel tips, AI can replicate that in seconds and it will not give you credit. But if you're publishing proprietary research, unique stories, or exclusive perspectives, you stand out. Your brand stands out. Step 4. Go multi-model. Text is only one piece. Nike launches product with videos, athletes podcast, Instagram reels, ratings. Apple turns product drops, live streams, ads, short TikToks, glossy product shots. Spotify pairs blogs, playlists, reels, and podcasts. Zepto pushes memes, apps, screenshot influencer reels, and delivery experiences. Netflix does not just release show, they roll out trailers, sorry for the claim. So you see, that's multi-model. When AI and users see you everywhere across multiple formats, you're harder to get ignored. Step 5. Build authority signals. AI engines don't just rely on your website, they look for reviews, chatter, third party credibility. And for example, TripAdvisor's traveler reviews, Trustpilot testimonials, Twitter and Reddit mentions, these are authority signals. Gary says attention is the real currency. If people are talking about you, if you are showing up in community spaces, if the media references you, AI is more likely to trust and surface you. Authority isn't just backlinks anymore, there's signals across these ecosystems that we just discussed. So I think I spoke about a lot of things. So just to recap, understand AI first queries, structure for conversational answers, make content AI resistant, like Avinash says, go multimodal, which means not just text, videos, audios, podcasts, memes, influencers, TikTok. Build authority signals because it will matter what people say about you. So if everyone is saying that Zepto delivers in 10 minutes, then AI will believe it, right? These 5 steps from your answer engine optimization playbook are going to help you. Avinash Kaushik reminds us that only content with novelty and depth survives. Gary Vee reminds us that whoever control attention wins. Put these together and the strategy is clear. Create unique, structured, multi-format content that earns authority and attention. My takeaway, don't wait. Start experimenting today. Rewrite one page in Q&A style. Add schema to product pages where you have missed. Release one multi-model campaign. Publish one AI response inside. These small steps prepare you for AI first world. This was episode 5 in my SEO to AEO, search engine optimization to answer engine optimization series. If you have missed the earlier ones, including Avinash Kaushik's 10 rules, check out the playlist linked here in the description. And if this was useful, hit like, subscribe, and share so more marketers like you can learn how to thrive in the age of AI. And do remember, I always answer my comments, questions, and I would like to keep it conversational. So do let me know if you have any queries. Good night.